Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, for another episode of Gizmo Guru. Today, we'll be doing a review on the Suds Lab D3 interior car detailer, and I'll go over a few things about it, and if I think it's a good thing for you to buy. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, in front of us, I have our Suds Lab D3 interior car detailer. Now, prior to using this, I've used so many different car products. I've used Meguiar's, Mother's, Griot's Garage, Jay Leno, and then a few other ones as well. Oh, even Chemical Guys, that's another one. But this one kind of stuck out just because you get 32 ounces. It's only about $12, so very good bang for your buck. And I find cleaning the inside of the car, I like how the results come out. One thing to note is this kind of gives it more of a shiny feel versus matte. The Chemical Guys that I used before and the Meguiar's kind of gave it that, matte finish. So if you prefer the matte finish, this is not a cleaner for you. I would stick to what you know then, but I love how this came out. And another thing I tested too was I tried spraying directly onto a towel versus just spraying directly on the surface. And I did notice that when you spray the surface directly, it does work a little better. I know some products want you to spray it on a towel, but this one worked better just directly on, and yeah, the results were great. And I did read through everything on it just to kind of see what you couldn't spray it on and what you could, and it does say that it's safe on leather and vinyl, and you'll get some overspray, but it's not harmful to those materials. So that's another reason I like it, is it does specify that it's safe on those materials. So yeah, overall, I've been using this for about 2 weeks. This is my second bottle of it, and I love it so far. This is, I think, for right now, going to be my new interior cleaner. So if you want a good cleaner that's not overly expensive, and this is like way bigger than the Chemical Guys bottle, and it's like a little bit cheaper. So I would highly recommend picking this up if you want a new car interior detailer.